I'm JD, I'm a welder.
Gonna spark it.
I am kind, thoughtful, nice, creative, and passionate about my artwork. I'm gonna take 6 of these pony horseshoes and make it into a little frog. It's the first piece that started the metal art. It started with the bucket of junk challenge through 4-H.
It's Hercules, Hawkeye, or Side of Cyclone, or it could be just whatever else.
You get a bucket of junk and you have to they say, make something. I would say the first time was a little hard. I didn't have the right shoes on the first day. It had the mesh, the sparks.
Oh yeah,
My dad taught me, then Ryan, my job coach, taught me a little bit. And I just kept learning from there through trial and error. And I taught my mom a little bit. I just had to throw that in there.
I think it was great.
I am unique because I have special needs. That means school was a little harder for me. Another thing that makes me unique is how I see things. I kind of see things in 3D or puzzle kind of view. How I see things leads into the creation of my business, JD's Creations. My mission statement is inspiring others while giving junk metal new life. What I like about my business is I just can be creative, make new things, and take special orders. It's just fun just to kind of see what special orders or just unique pieces you can get from auctions, junk, whatever else. This is a special order here. These are 2 hay forks I put together to make a flag with there's gonna be a flag with blue stripe here. Sometimes I do tutorials like this here, what could act as a cell phone holder also. 4-H taught me hard work pays off. It also helps with communication and life skills. My ingrain cutting board made it to the state fair and won the blue ribbon, and also made it in school in the shop class. Just a feeling of accomplishment. I would recommend 4-H to others because it lets them try new things.